my car realizing just how filthy it is, and I need to maybe try to clean that today. I'm gonna head over to the grocery store now. I think later on, after I pick Sydney up from school, we are gonna go to the beach with a couple of other friends. So I want to make a corn avocado cold salad. Hey guys, oh, what is up and welcome back. I just threw my sunglasses on because I am about to go for a little outdoor walk. I dropped Sydney off at school, did the whole morning thing with her. Okay, I have you propped up on my paper towel holder. Maine is having what we like to call our first fall summer. It is gonna be 80 today, possibly tomorrow as well, like super sunny and warm for a couple of days, and then it will go back to normal Maine weather. But while it is here, we are all running to the beach, we're all cherishing it, opening up windows. Even though it's allergy season, it's a sacrifice I am willing to make. I'm about to go ahead and go on my walk, so I have some workout clothes on and just really trying to get back into the swing of my outdoor walks and exercising, wearing my Apple Watch, which keeps me accountable. I don't know, it just motivates me to get my steps in and close that ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I think later on, after I pick Sydney up from school, we are gonna go to the beach with a couple of other friends. And possibly have dinner there, like maybe make some subs or something for dinner and just eat it at the beach while we can. So that's on the agenda today. I do want to go ahead very quickly and pop to the grocery store and grab, I need some fruit and chicken, and then maybe something to bring to the beach for dinner or something. So the other day on Instagram stories, I went ahead and made some cold brew coffee. I keep forgetting that I have this in, I had this in my pantry, and I've been spending way too much money on getting iced coffees out. Now that the weather is warmer, I don't know, I've just gotten into the habit of it, and cold brew is so expensive. So I went ahead and brewed my own, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it a habit. That way I don't kind of waste my money, you know, on things that I don't need. And it's just as delicious from home. There's something about holding that cup and getting it in through the drive-through that makes it feel extra, you know, it's the experience, but also here we are. So I also got myself this party pack of ice just because I feel like the crushed ice is even better with iced coffee. And then I found this randomly, and I'm not gonna like repurchase this or anything, but I was kind of desperate for a coffee syrup when I went to the grocery store, and I found this salted caramel one. And I like my iced coffee full of ice, like extra ice. Most of the time I like it with oat milk, and I have some on hand, but I also got some half and half. Just sometimes I like the extra creaminess of it. A perfect cold brew from home. Oh, I drop everything. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. Okay, I'm getting into my car realizing just how filthy it is, and I need to maybe try to clean that today if I have time. I don't know. I'm gonna head over to the grocery store now, sipped on my coffee a little bit. I had some toast with peanut butter because I was hungry, and kind of searched Pinterest for some recipe ideas. I didn't really get any new recipes that were kind of intriguing me, but I am gonna go ahead and make as long as I can find ripe avocado, otherwise I'll be flexible. I want to make a corn avocado cold salad that I've made several times before with like a honey lime dressing, and I might make like a super simple pasta salad, and I need some chicken. Just yesterday I was saying how my allergies weren't bothering me and I was doing okay with the pollen this year, and then today it was like the universe was like, oh really? Psych. I wake up with a scratchy throat, my car is covered in the yellow stuff. I'm getting ready for all of the flowers and the plants. Not quite there yet with our weather, but maybe within a couple of weeks. I'm instantly regretting not putting on a sweatshirt. Oh, I forgot how cold it is at the grocery store. I always get more than what I plan on going there for because I'm like, oh yeah, I need milk. Oh yeah, I need butter. I need this. I need that. So I needed some milk. We have baby carrots. Sydney's been on a huge baby carrot and ranch or hummus kick, and so I grabbed a bag of some baby carrots. Usually I buy English cucumbers, but these cucumbers were on sale 2 for $1, so I figured why not? And I'm going to be making some pasta salad. So I got a large cucumber, some grape tomatoes for both the pasta salad as well as the corn salad that I plan on making. I just needed some water. This is what I've been using for my cold brew coffee as well. Was craving the Polarade seltzer. What did I get? The raspberry pink lemonade. They have so many different flavors. I'm obsessed. I love it. I will probably stock up for the summer on a bunch of different flavors because that's my favorite go-to seltzer. Some sharp cheddar for the classic pasta salad that I'm going to be making. I changed things up today and I went with a thin sliced chicken breast as opposed to the chicken tenders that I typically buy. I needed some lime for the avocado corn salad. I like making it with a honey lime dressing. And so a couple of limes, some avocado. I have a couple that are going to be ready in a couple of days, and then a couple that are ready for today since I'm making the salad today. I grabbed strawberries, some watermelon, a couple of plums. I needed some butter. I don't know, I've never tried this kind, but I was like the first one that I reached for that was unsalted. I needed red onion for the corn salad, some sliced black olives for the pasta salad, rotini for that. I grabbed some pineapple since it was on sale for $2.50. I figured, hey, that sounds kind of good right now. Corn on the cob for the corn salad. I needed just regular granulated sugar. And then Sydney's in an after school activity and I volunteered to go ahead and bring some apples for snacks. And so I had to grab a bag of that before I forgot to send her to school with that tomorrow. So yeah, that's what I picked up at the grocery store today.
realized I kind of stopped talking to the camera because I was in crunch time. It was time to soon pick Sydney up from school, and I really wanted to make sure I was ready to go to the beach as soon as I picked her up. So I quickly kind of organized my car, got some things packed for the beach in my beach bag, and then went ahead and made my cold corn and avocado salad. This recipe, I'm not following an exact recipe, but the inspo came from a Bobby Flay episode on Food Network channel that I watched a few years ago, and I've been making it ever since. So all I am using is some fresh ears of corn on the cob. We have avocado, tomato, red onion, and then a honey lime kind of dressing vinaigrette, and I just do everything to taste. You can omit things if you want, you can add things if you want. I mean, there are probably so many different versions of this that you can make. So I am heating up the corn on a skillet with a little bit of oil just to bring out the sweetness. I'm not cooking it by any means or making it like hot. And that's just for a couple of minutes. So I am using some cherry tomatoes, red onion. You can use green onion, which I've done several times in the past instead. And then as far as the dressing goes, I used the juice of a lime, some honey, and a little bit of avocado oil, salt, and pepper. And that's all I used. You can add garlic, you can add certain seasonings. Made it very, very simple for today. And I just do it to taste. So I like it a nice balance between the sweet honey and the sour tart lime juice. Then I went ahead and assembled the salad by putting everything in the bowl, tossing it with that honey lime vinaigrette, and adding my fresh avocado in there as well. The avocado does stay nice and green for me for at least a day. I had it the next day as well, and it was still pretty green since there was nice citrus lime in that vinaigrette. But if you want to make it fresh for serving, I would recommend adding the avocado kind of last before serving, and then tossing everything in the vinaigrette. I hope you guys try this salad. It is one of my staple favorites for the summer. I'm a sucker for any cold salads in the summertime when the weather warms up a little bit, and hence why I make that an extremely simple, basic pasta salad with the Italian dressing. So I went ahead and packed up this corn salad, the pasta salad, and then I sliced up some watermelon to bring to the beach. We had an amazing evening, spent it with quite a few families and lots of kids running around. Unfortunately, I forgot my camera at home, but that was actually worked out wonderful so that I could be in the moment and enjoy company. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. If you make some of these salads, definitely let me know how you like them, and I will talk to you in the next video.